Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make takoyaki in minutes using only 4 simple ingredients. Let's get started. Takoyaki is a very popular Japanese street food made with the batter of flour, eggs, and dashi stock. Takoyaki is filled with chopped octopus, green onions, and pickled ginger. It's then cooked in a special pan until it's crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside as shown in the picture. So if you don't feel like starting from scratch, all you need to do is just head to your local Asian grocery store and grab a package of pre-made takoyaki, which I got it for about $10. Next, you will need yum yum sauce and ABC sweet soy sauce to make the sauce. Last, this is an optional, but I like mine with bonito flakes. I recommend you to try. So if you're looking to purchase this sweet soy sauce and bonito flakes that I use in this video, but you can't find in your grocery store, don't worry about it. Just head over to my descriptions and check out the links that I have copied and pasted there for you. As an Amazon affiliate, I earn a small commission from qualifying purchases made through those links. Once the takoyaki are truly heated, drizzle the yum yum sauce. Then drizzle with sweet soy sauce. Last, sprinkle a generous amount of bonito flakes. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. It really means a lot. And if you like to see more of the video like this, please just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like my video. Thank you for your support.